Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Speak Up. This is a peaceful place where you can relax, enjoy simple stories, and improve your English listening skills. Today, I'm going to share a story about my daily routine and how I spend my day from morning until night. So get comfortable, relax, and listen carefully. Every morning, I wake up at around 6:30 a.m. The soft sunlight slowly shines through my window and fills my room with warm light. I stretch my body, take a deep breath, and smile because I feel thankful for a brand new day. After getting out of bed, I brush my teeth and wash my face with cold water. This helps me feel fresh, active, and fully awake. Then I head to the kitchen to prepare my breakfast. Usually, I enjoy a simple breakfast like toast, eggs, and a hot cup of tea or coffee. Even though my breakfast is simple, it gives me energy and helps me start the day in a good mood. After breakfast, I get dressed and prepare my things for work. I pick up my bag, check my phone and keys, and leave the house. The morning weather is cool and pleasant. The sky looks bright blue, and the fresh air feels wonderful. The streets are calm, and there is not much traffic early in the morning. While traveling to work, I enjoy listening to music and looking outside the window. When I arrive at work, I greet my coworkers with a smile and say, "Good morning, everyone." "Good morning, everyone."
Good morning.
They greet me back, and the office feels friendly and welcoming. Some days at work are easy and relaxing, while other days can be stressful and challenging. No matter how busy the day becomes, I always try to stay positive and do my best. Around lunchtime, I begin to feel a little tired and hungry. So I take a short break and go to the cafeteria to eat lunch. Sometimes I eat rice, chicken, and vegetables. That sounds delicious.
Let's go.
Other times, I prefer something light like a sandwich or salad. I usually sit with my coworkers and we talk about work, daily life, and funny experiences.
Yeah, it's the best.
Totally. After lunch, I feel refreshed, focused, and ready to continue my work again. As the workday comes to an end, I organize my desk and prepare to leave. Before leaving, I say goodbye to everyone and wish them a good evening.
Good evening.
Even though the day has been long and busy, I feel proud because I worked hard and gave my best effort.
See you tomorrow.
When I step outside, the cool evening air feels calm and peaceful. I slowly walk to the parking area, get into my car, and begin driving home carefully. During the drive home, I like to relax and think quietly about my day. When I finally arrive home, I immediately feel warm, comfortable, and peaceful. Home is my favorite place because it helps me rest and forget the stress of the day. After relaxing for a few minutes, I go to the kitchen and start preparing dinner. When dinner is ready, I sit down at the table and enjoy my meal slowly and peacefully. After dinner, I usually spend some quiet time reading a book, watching videos, or listening to relaxing music. At night, when I start feeling sleepy, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and get ready for bed. Before sleeping, I think about my day and feel thankful for everything I have in my life. Finally, I close my eyes, relax, and peacefully fall asleep, ready for another new day tomorrow. Thank you so much for listening to my daily routine story. Please share your own daily routine in the comments below.